Making watermelon juice is a simple and refreshing process. Here's a basic recipe for homemade watermelon juice. Ingredients: ripe watermelon. Instructions: prepare the watermelon. Choose a ripe and sweet watermelon. You can tell if a watermelon is ripe by its deep color, firm skin, and a slightly dull sound when you tap it. Wash the watermelon thoroughly. Cut the watermelon in half. Slice the watermelon into manageable wedges or chunks. Remove seeds. Optional. If your watermelon has seeds, you can either remove them before blending or strain the juice later to remove the seeds. Blend the watermelon. Place the watermelon chunks in a blender. Blend until you achieve a smooth consistency. Strain. Optional. If you prefer a smoother juice without pulp, you can strain the juice using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. This step is optional, and many people enjoy the pulp in their watermelon juice. Serve. Pour the juice into glasses. You can serve it over ice for a chilled experience. Garnish. Optional. Garnish with mint leaves or a slice of lime for extra flavor and presentation. Enjoy. Stir the juice, and your homemade watermelon juice is ready to be enjoyed. Feel free to customize your watermelon juice by adding a squeeze of lime or lemon juice for a citrusy kick. Adjust the sweetness to your liking and experiment with variations to suit your taste preferences. Enjoy the refreshing taste of homemade watermelon juice.